To replace the pivot rod on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, you will need vice grip pliers, a hammer, and a large flathead screwdriver. Your first step is to remove the grass bag, if applicable. Now lift up the rear door and place the vice grip pliers on the pivot rod. You can use the hammer to strike the pliers to slide the pivot rod out through the right side of the rear axle support. With the end of the rod accessible, you can use the pliers to fully remove the rod. Before you install the new pivot rod, confirm that both torsion springs are properly aligned in the rear door assembly. You can reinstall a dislodged spring by inserting it into the rear door and rotating it. The left side spring will need to be rotated clockwise. The right side spring should be rotated counterclockwise. You can use the large flathead screwdriver to push the end of each spring into place. Now align the rear door on the axle support, making sure the ends of the springs are positioned on the outside edge of the support. You can use the screwdriver to help do this. Now insert the new pivot rod through the right side of the support and tap it into place with the hammer. You may need to use the screwdriver to help fully seat the rod. With the rod in place, confirm the rear door rotates freely, and your lawn mower should be ready for use.